Today, we are going to train your English voice to use phrasal verbs with in and out. When a verb is combined with a preposition, it is called a phrasal verb. In these phrasal verbs, in and out show direction of movement. So let's have a look at the phrasal verbs using in. Lead in, bring in, come in, walk in. So here we have a verb combined with a preposition to form a phrasal verb. Let's have a look at some sentence examples. Please bring in the dogs from outside. So here we have the phrasal verb bring in, and it is showing a direction of movement. I'm wanting you to bring them in, okay, in the house. So that is a direction of movement. Let's have a look at another example. Please come in through the front door. Here we have the phrasal verb come in, and it's showing a direction of movement. I want you to come in. I want you to move in that direction. Come in. Now let's have a look at phrasal verbs using the word out. Take out, blow out, come out, cut out. Let's have a look at two sentence examples. Please take out the rubbish bags. Here I am using the phrasal verb take out, and it is showing a direction of movement. I want you to take out the rubbish bins. You are going to move them out. Take out. And the last sentence example. Come out to a party with me tonight. We used the phrasal verb come out. So I want you to come out of your house to a party. So it is showing a direction of movement. Excellent job with these phrasal verbs. Well done. Goodbye.